All right, so this is Alex. I received few questions on taxes on cryptocurrency. So I'll go ahead and answer those questions. First question, do I pay taxes if I use crypto to buy things? Answer is yes, because when you use crypto to buy other stocks, and if you have gain, you have to pay tax on that capital gain. So you need to pay capital gain tax, because the taxable event occurs when you dispose. When you sell it, then you have gain and you have to pay tax on that capital gain. Second question, can I use my crypto loss to offset my stock market gain? Answer is yes. When you have loss, generally speaking, when you have loss, that loss can minimize or reduce your gain on your stock. So it doesn't matter where it's coming from, whether it's crypto, whether it's other type of stock. You can use the loss to offset your stock market gain. Third question, I bought crypto for 10,000. It went up to 15,000, but I sold it when it's 10,000 worth of stock. So in that case, the question is, do I pay tax on it? Yes, it doesn't matter. You sold it for half of the price or all. You need to pay tax on it. So you bought it for 10,000. It's 15,000 now, but you sold only 10,000 worth of stock. So you still need to pay tax on it. Question number 4. I bought Bitcoin, but I transfer it to a friend's wallet or other wallet. Do I pay tax? It depends on what happened. So if you sold it to your friend, it's taxable event, because when you sell a stock and if you have gain, you have to pay tax on it, whether you sold it to a friend, a member of your family, or other people. As long as you have gain on that stock sale, you have to pay tax. But if you give it as a gift, and if your friend is considered as a charitable organization, then you will have tax deductible. But if that's not charitable organization, there is a gain and you have to pay tax on that gain. But there is one exception. If your friend is just holding it for you, then that's not taxable event and you don't pay tax on it. Question number 5. I bought a Bitcoin and I make 100,000. And I bought another crypto and I lost 100,000. Do I still pay tax? No, you don't have to pay tax. You pay tax when there is a gain. In this case, you make 100,000 and you lost 100,000 and there is a net effect 0. So there is a wash there, you don't pay tax on it. But you need to be careful that if you have unrecognized gain, that means if the second stock is not sold yet, then it's not recognized loss yet, it's unrecognized loss. In that case, probably that loss is not considered or not used to minimize the gain. So to recognize loss, you need to sell the second stock. Question number 5, this is number 5. Question number 6, which is the last one, is my stock is keep going. So what do you advise? So you need to have exit strategy. So even if the stock is keep going, you need to have a target, or you need to know your target, when to sell, where I'm gonna sell my stock, even if it's going up, because at some point it will go down. So at some point you need to decide when to sell your stock. So you need to have exit strategy, even if your stock is going up, because it's not going up forever. It will go down at some point. So these are all the questions that I received. So please keep sending me your questions. I will try to answer all your questions on taxes, cryptocurrencies, tax, individual taxation, business taxation, on any finance related questions. Thank you. This is Alex. Please keep liking this channel, and please share to others, and please subscribe if you didn't subscribe that yet. Thank you.